Hello, how to warp a logo for shirts mockups like a Discharge Printing in Photoshop. I will apply this to this sweatshirts. Select design and press Command T to resize the design. Put it on the right place. Keep the design selected and click on the blending mode and choose color burn. Click on the adjustments, then brightness contrast. Click here to make the effects on the design only. Click on auto, keep the brightness and the same and change the contrast to 100. Select the design and press Command G to duplicate the design. Click on the blending mode and this time choose hue or color. You can add curves to lighten the design a little. Click on the adjustments and then curves. Click here to make the effects on the design only. Click on the hand here and hold the press while pulling up slowly until the design light goes out of the shirt light. Press Command and click here to select design. Select all items and click here to create a new group. Then click three lines here and click on the Convert to Smart Object and press Command G to repeat the design with the new effects. Keep the design selected and go to the top bar and click Filter, Blur, then Gaussian Blur. Add about value until it looks realistic with your design. This is good. Click OK. It looks like a realistic design. Before, after. I hope you have benefited with me here. Don't forget to support me and peace.